A skin good tube that helps to prevent pimples. Like I said, if you're having Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Extreme Therapy. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we post a video. So in today we are going to be looking at how to premix very strong whitening face cream for this new year 2023. So here are in the ingredients we are using. This is glutathione terminal white lotion, and a lot of you is familiar with this lotion, that this lotion whitens very well. Another base cream we have here is Perfect Face glutathione face cream. We are also going to be using Lala face cream. Then we use concentrate, pigeon concentrate. Pigeon concentrate has stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. We are using stage 2 today. We are still using pigeon tube. Then we have a rapid white whitenizer that help to whiten the face as well. All these are strong concentrate that are good for the face. Then we are going to be having our anti-reaction skin good and clean cap. Then we have our glutathione serum. We have Dr. Rachel hyaluronic acid SS. So then after that, we're going to be adding powders, MSM. Then we have here vitamin B3, niacinamide. Then we use allantoin alongside to make the face to be very radiant. As we all know that allantoin is anti-radiant ingredients. So let's proceed. So you see the measurements that we are using for this mix. Make sure you have your scale alongside. You have your scale, you have your mixing bowl. You don't just you have to make sure that your ingredients is original, and you have to make sure that your measurement is correct. So here is our mixing bowl, and we don't want any bacterial in our formulation, so we are going to disinfect it to make sure that it's free from all bacterials that the eyes might not see. So make sure you always disinfect the materials you are working with. Then we have our scale here. We are going to measure, put on your scale, make sure your scale is in grams because we are using grams, and make sure you tie it to 0. As you can see, this is 0. My scale is on 0, so I want to get the accurate measurements. Then we are using 50 grams of glutathione. I've been making this face cream for some people, and they are like, what is my mix? So you know, as your girl, I don't have anything to hide. Let me put it up on my community. You can make it for yourself, you can even make it for business. It's very safe. So we are using this first base, glutathione injection. Make sure you are buying the original one because there's a lot of fake out there. We are using 50 grams of it. Okay, we're using 50 grams. So that's 50 grams. I've tied it because I don't want to. You can decide not to tie on, but I always tie my own so it will start afresh. Then we're using this Perfect Face. Perfect Face is not really big. It's 30 grams for the whole container. So I'm using the whole container, which is 30 grams. So remember, the first one is 50 grams. The Perfect Face glutathione whitening face cream is also 50 grams. Then Lala is not also big. Perfect Face. This Perfect Face Madam White, if you don't have a Perfect Face or you can't find it in your location, you can use Madam White. And another thing I want to talk about is that make sure your ingredients are always original. If I should put up a good recipe out there and your ingredient is not original, trust me, there you are not going to get the results you're supposed to get at the end of the day, to look as if I overhyped the recipe, not knowing that it was from you that you are not getting what I'm expecting you to get. So here is Lala. Lala is just 10 grams, so we are using the whole Lala in it. Lala is a very strong whitening cream that most people with sensitive face cannot use it directly. Like my face is sensitive, like super sensitive, but thank God, because I'm a skin therapist, I'm an esthetician, I already know what to do to my face, so I can't use Lala. If you know that your face is sensitive, as far as Lala is a strong cream, any strong whitening cream, you can't use it like that. So let's stir it together to see the consistency we are having. Then after that, we are going to be adding our Skin Good anti-reaction. Skin Good, they have this the number 1 and the number 2. Always go for number 1. How you are going to know number 1 is that when you open it up, at the bottom you are going to see a black line, I think at the back of it. So that is the original Skin Good. Skin Good help to prevent rashes, discoloration, eczema. So that's the work of Skin Good. Then, and that's why we are having it in this mix. We are also using Clean Cap gel. Clean Cap has the tube, it has the cream, and it also has the tube. It has the cream and it also has the gel, and both of them are in the tube form. So, and this is pigeon tube. We are using 1 tablespoon of pigeon tube. Remember, this recipe is having pigeon tube and pigeon concentrate stage 2. So 1 tablespoon we are adding to this face cream. At the end of the day, I'm going to be having like more than 150 or 130. So this is Skin Good. Skin Good will help to prevent pimples, rashes, acne. So that's the work of that's why I'm adding this Clean Cap, and I don't add the cream, I add the gel. This is Rapid White Whitenizer. It's very good for the face. Look at it here, it looks very milky. There's some in the market that looks so watery. Please, if it's watery, run away from it. That's not the original. So we had this Rapid White Whitenizer, 1 tablespoon. We are still using the same 1 tablespoon. So we are going to be adding pigeon stage 2. We are going to still be using the same measurements. This is pigeon stage 2. It's very thick. So open it, make sure that when you buy it, it has to be sealed. If it's not sealed, kindly return it or don't use it at all. That's not original. It has to be sealed. Like I said, this is very thick. So you have to shake it for it to come out. So guys, this face cream whitens up to 5 shades. I advise you should use it only at night. During the day, just go with a moisturizer, and don't forget your sunscreen. This is Gluta-C. Gluta-C also is a whitening serum, mostly used for face. I use Gluta-C a lot on my face products for whitening. So don't use this cream during the day, but you know that if your face is those kind of pomos skin that is very stubborn, that does not accept anything, fine, you can use it. But I myself, I dare not try it using it during the day. I use it only at night, and it got to a point I was using it just 3 times in a week. Later I reduced it to 2 times in a week because it's super active. In as much as you know that the product is active, you should not abuse it, because why you see a lot of burnt face out there is because they abuse products. So now let's measure out the powders we are adding in it. We are using MSM. We are using just 2 grams. This is Allantoin for anti-radiant. We are using 2 grams of Allantoin. We are using 2 grams of vitamin B3, the same 2 grams of MSM. So this is the Allantoin here, and we've already gotten 2 grams of it. Then this is MSM. We're still using the same 2 grams, just as we use the Allantoin. We still use the same 2 grams. Yeah, so that's 4 grams. I didn't tell this, you can see it from the scale. That is 4 grams. Then the third one is going to be vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is very good for the face. Anything I'm premixing for the face, I make sure I add it, be it face wash and anything, serum. Especially for my morning moisturizing cream, I use that. So we have there 6 grams. Hope you guys are seeing it. Then while we are using this, I'm using this too because it contains hyaluronic acid. I'm using it to dissolve this powder. If you can't get this, you can use a rose water, but I have rose water, but I'm using this just to still get the benefit of that hyaluronic acid feel, that suppleness on my product. So that's why I'm using this Dr. Rachel hyaluronic acid essence serum to dissolve my powders. So here is our face cream. Just still stay tuned. Please don't forget, if you've watched this video up to this time and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel. We're still going to be leaving a number at the description box. You can message us for inquiries, for recommendation of products. If you want us to talk about any product, you can still leave it on the comment section. So here is our powder. So we turn it in it. We are going to mix it very well to make sure it's in. So please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, so YouTube will keep sharing this video to every other people like you. So make sure you use this product at night if you're having a sensitive face. Like I'm emphasizing, this is tea tree oil. We are just adding few drops in this mix. I'm using just 2 drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is an essential oil. It's not like a carrier oil that you can just put more. Just need to put very little. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by. Like and comment on this video. I will see you on my next video. Bye.